हेलो एवरीवन, गुड इवनिंग, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आई होप आप सभी अच्छे होंगे। आज हम बायोलॉजी के एमसीक्यूज़ की 8th क्लास करेंगे। इससे पहले हमने 7 क्लासेस कंप्लीट कर ली हैं और उसमें हमने कम से कम 100 से ज़्यादा क्वेश्चंस की प्रैक्टिस कर ली है। तो चलिए आज की क्लास स्टार्ट करते हैं। First question is all the plants and animals are composed of cells and the cell is the basic unit of life. The given statement is for which of the following theories? Options are theory of evolution, theory of inheritance, cell theory and theory of natural selection, and the correct answer is the option number C, cell theory. Then next question is if the chromosome number is 46 in a human being, how many chromosomes are present in somatic cells of the human being? Options are 24, 46, 23 and 48 and the correct answer is the option number B, 46. ये PYQ है, ये HP टेट और HP TGT दोनों में ये क्वेश्चन पूछा गया है. Then next question is which of the following group produces naked seeds? Options are angiosperms, bryophyta, thallophyte and gymnosperm and the correct answer is the option number D. Gymnosperm produces naked seeds. Then next question is voluntary muscles are contained in the options are heart, hind limb, liver and lung and the correct answer is the option number B, hind limb. Voluntary muscles are contained in the hind limb. Then next question is which hormone is concerned with the cell division? Options are cytokinin, gibberellin, malic hydrazide and auxins and the correct answer is the option number A, cytokinin is concerned with the cell division. Then next question is the sex of an offspring is determined by which of the following? Options are DNA of the female gamete, DNA of the male gamete, neither the DNA of male nor the female gamete, and DNA of the male and female gamete. And the correct answer is the option number B. The sex of an offspring is determined by the DNA of the male gamete. Then next question is the first photosynthetic oxygen liberating organism to appear on earth were. Options are cyanobacteria, bacteria, bryophytes and green algae and the correct answer is the option number A. Cyanobacteria is the correct answer. Then next question is the Zika virus which damages the brain of the fetus is. Options are mosquito borne, water borne, airborne and foodborne and the correct answer is the option number A, mosquito borne. Zika virus which damages the brain of the fetus is mosquito borne. Then next question is the fertilization occurs in the options are vagina, uterus, fallopian tube and cervix and the correct answer is the option number C, fertilization occurs in the fallopian tube. HP टेट और HP TGT दोनों में ये क्वेश्चन पूछा गया है. टेट TGT दोनों में ये क्वेश्चन रिपीट होता है और ये क्वेश्चन बहुत बार रिपीट होता है. Then next question is which of the following is not a part of a neuron? And the options are neurilema, nasal granule, sarcolemma and axon. And the correct answer is the option number C, sarcolemma. Then next question is the question number 11. Dash cells are embedded in the hard matrix that is composed of calcium and phosphorus. Options are ligament, blood, bone and cartilage and the correct answer is the option number C. Bone cells are embedded in a hard matrix that is composed of calcium and phosphorus. Then next question is the process in which the organism can be cut into any number of pieces and each piece grows into a complete organism is called. Options are regeneration, budding, spore formation and no option is correct and the correct answer is the option number A, regeneration. Then next question is when a person can see only near objects, the condition is called. Options are hypermetropia, astigmatism, myopia and retinopathy and the correct answer is the option number C, when a person can see only near by object. जब कोई person सिर्फ अपने near by object को ही देख सकता है उस कंडीशन को मायोपिया कहा जाता है. Then next question is a person with blood group AB can donate blood to person with blood group A, B and O is called universal blood donor, can receive blood from any group, is neither a universal recipient nor a donor and the correct answer is the option number C, a person with blood group AB can receive blood from any group. Then next question is leprosy is also known as. Options are angina, Hansen's disease, Gaucher disease, Hodgkin's disease, and the correct answer is the leprosy is also known as Hansen's disease. Then next question is the which type of pathogen causes the waterborne disease dysentery? Options are algal, parasitic, protozoan, and bacterial, and the correct answer is the option number D. Option number D is the correct answer. Which bacterial pathogen causes the waterborne disease dysentery. Then next question is the which type of pathogen causes the waterborne disease escheriasis? Options are viral, protozoans, bacterial, and parasitic. And the disease escheriasis caused by parasite. Then it is a parasitic disease. Then next question is which organ is the main digester and absorber of the food? Options are stomach, liver, colon, and small intestine, and the correct answer is the option number D, small intestine. Then next question is the which of the following enzyme is secreted by the pancreas? Options are maltase, trypsin, sucrase, and lactase, and the correct answer is the option number B. Trypsin is the correct answer. Trypsin is secreted by the pancreas. The next question is the which of the following can reproduce by fragmentation? Options are Spirogyra, Hydra, Planaria, and yeast, and the correct answer is the option number A, Spirogyra. Spirogyra can reproduce by fragmentation. The next question is the which of the following statement is not true of meiosis? Options are meiosis takes place in two phases. During meiosis, the genes of the parent cells are mixed in the resulting cells. Meiosis takes place in gonads for production of gametes. And last option is that as a consequence of meiosis, the number of chromosomes is doubled in the resulting cells. And the correct answer is the option number D. As a consequence of meiosis, the number of chromosomes is doubled in the resulting cells. ये ऑप्शन इसका सही है, मतलब आंसर में ये सही है। और इसमें मियोसिस के लिए ट्रू नहीं, जो कौन सी स्टेटमेंट इनमें से मियोसिस के लिए ट्रू नहीं है, नॉट दिया है। जब भी आप क्वेश्चन से अटेम्प्ट करो तो सबसे पहले अपना क्वेश्चन ध्यान से रीड कीजिए, क्योंकि अगर आप क्वेश्चन ठीक से रीड नहीं करोगे उस वजह से भी आपके मार्क्स कट हो जाते हैं, क्योंकि आपने क्वेश्चन ध्यान से पढ़ा नहीं होता और आप आंसर गलत करके आ जाते हो। नॉट वाला जो क्वेश्चन होते हैं ज़्यादातर गलती उसी में ही होते हैं। Then next question is the pollen grains are found in, options are stigma, ovules, anthers, and locules, and the correct answer is the option number C, anthers. Pollen grains are found in anthers. Then next question is the in fertilization of a flower, the fertilized central cell will develop into, options are zygote, embryo, endosperm, and sperm, and the correct answer is the option number C, endosperm. HP टेट में ये क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है, बार बार क्वेश्चन रिपीट होता है। Then next question is the cockroaches belongs to the phylum. ये क्वेश्चन गलत है। इसके ऑप्शंस गलत हैं। कॉकरोचेस बिलोंग्स टू द फाइलम इकाइनोडर्मेटा, एंड यहाँ पे आर्थ्रोपोडा आएगा, आर्थ्रोपोडा and platyhelminths and mollusca, and the cockroaches belongs to the phylum arthropoda. Arthropoda is the correct answer. Then next question is the which vitamin is essential for the absorption of calcium? Options are vitamin E, vitamin A, vitamin D, and vitamin C, and the correct answer is the option number C, vitamin D is essential for the absorption of calcium. Then next question is the which cell organelle is called the master of the cell? Options are endoplasmic reticulum, mitochondria, nucleolus, and nucleus, and the correct answer is the option number D, nucleus. Nucleus organelle is called the master of the cell. Then next question is the which part of brain is responsible for precision of voluntary actions and for maintaining the posture and balance of the body? Options are midbrain, सेरिबेलम, सेरिब्रम, एंड स्पाइनल कॉर्ड, एंड इसका जो करेक्ट आंसर होगा वो होगा सेरिबेलम. Cerebellum is the correct answer. Then next question is the what is the most common treatment for bacterial infections in human? Options are aspirin, antibodies, antibiotics, and antigen, and the correct answer is the option number C, antibiotics. Antibiotics is most commonly common treatment for bacterial infections in humans. Then next question is the question number 29. Complete digestion of carbohydrate, proteins and fats takes place in the options are esophagus, stomach, small intestine and large intestine, and the correct answer is the option number C, small intestine. Complete digestion of carbohydrate, proteins and fat takes place in the small intestine. Then next question is the in which of the following permanent tissues are the cells are the cells dead? Options are parenchyma, collenchyma, sclerenchyma and erenchyma, and the correct answer is the option number C, sclerenchyma. द सेल्स जो स्क्लेरेंकाइमा सेल्स होते हैं वो डेड सेल्स होते हैं। तो ये आज के लिए टोटल 30 क्वेश्चन थे, जिनमें आधे से ज़्यादा क्वेश्चंस प्रीवियस ईयर में पूछे गए हैं, और आप अपने एग्ज़ाम के लिए MCQs की प्रैक्टिस कीजिए। अगर आपने चैनल को लाइक और सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो जल्दी से जाकर के चैनल को लाइक और सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें। और अगर आपको किसी भी क्वेश्चन में कन्फ्यूज़न लगता है या कोई आंसर आपको रॉन्ग लगता है तो प्लीज़ आप एक कमेंट में उस क्वेश्चन का आंसर ज़रूर दीजिए। प्लीज़ ड्रॉप अ कमेंट इन कमेंट बॉक्स। ओके, बाय, टेक केयर।